Stop. If you're thinking about buying InstantlyClaw, there's something you need to know first, because this tool could either make you money with AI agents, or waste your time if you don't understand how it really works. And most people are getting this completely wrong. So in this video, I'm going to give you a complete honest review of InstantlyClaw. What it actually does, how people are using it to make money, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth your money, or not. Before we go deeper, if you decide to get InstantlyClaw, make sure you use the link in the description. Because I've also added exclusive bonuses worth $785 that can literally help you land your first client fast. What is InstantlyClaw? InstantlyClaw is a one-click AI agent deployment system that gives you a fully working OpenClaw setup in under 60 seconds. Instead of struggling with coding, setting up servers and paying monthly hosting, you just click a button, and your AI system is live. It comes pre-configured, secured on cloud and ready to execute tasks. Like a team of AI employees working for you. Benefits, why people are interested. Here's why people are getting excited about this. No technical skills required, no monthly fees, one-time price, no setup headaches, works through WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord and fully automated execution. And the biggest benefit? You can sell AI services like content writing, lead generation, competitor research and email marketing. And charge anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per client. Inside InstantlyClaw, you're getting 9 AI agents working together like a company, 15 plus pre-installed skills AI that researches, writes, analyzes and delivers results. Cloud hosting included, no VPS needed. Built-in safety system, your data is protected, and 2 months of free AI credits. Plus, it remembers your tasks, improves over time and works autonomously. You literally give one instruction, and it handles everything. Now let's be honest, here are the pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly, no tech setup required, huge time saver, commercial rights included and high income potential. Cons: not a push-button get-rich tool, you still need to guide the AI and requires basic understanding of prompts. But honestly, compared to setting up OpenClaw manually, this saves you days of work. Results: what kind of results can you expect? You can create Fiverr gigs, sell reports for $200 to $1,200, offer monthly services and automate your own business. Some users have already closed clients, generated leads and built AI-powered services. But remember, this is a system, not magic. You still need to take action. Now here's where it gets really powerful. Wait. You're also getting these 5 exclusive bonuses. Free, bonus 1, AI Agent Profits Bootcamp, $297. Learn exactly how to turn this into a money-making machine, pricing services, closing clients and real strategies, not theory. Bonus 210 Business Prompt Packs, $197, done for you prompts for agencies, e-commerce, real estate and coaching. Just plug and start delivering results instantly. Bonus 3, Commercial Rights Certificate, $97, show clients you're legit, helps close deals faster and builds trust instantly. Bonus 4, Private Community, $97, get strategies, help and real case studies. See what's working and scale faster. Bonus 5, First Client in 7 Days Blueprint, $97, step-by-step system to go from beginner to first paid client. Total bonus value, $785, yours free today. So, is InstantlyClaw worth it? If you want an easy entry into AI agents, a way to sell services and automation without tech headaches, then yes, it's absolutely worth trying. So if you're serious, click the link in the description, Grab InstantlyClaw and lock in all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.